I'll be right back. I gotta go. So now y'all just waiting for me at the front door? Hold on. I don't think y'all understand how this thing works. Y'all go over here. Now what we got? Huh? What was so urgent that you at the front door, y'all? What? Ramen and mayonnaise. That's That's kind of crazy. It is kind of crazy. It might be urgent. Let's get into it. There you go, y'all. Hey, they said beef ramen and mayonnaise. You already know the drill. You know the drill. Break that thing down. We gotta get this thing on the stove. Hold up. You in Steele's kitchen. Gotta get it right, buddy. If you know, you know. Yo, it's done. Hold on, let me get some of this water. Let me get some of this water out of there. Oh! Hold up! Let me get a plate! Mayonnaise. How the hell do this? Alright, hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let me get the seasoning pack in there. I said beef with mayonnaise, right? Alright. Let's go. Beef with mayonnaise. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my God. If you guys can see what this shit looks like. Oh. 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 Let's try. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh shit. Shut the shit. Shut the shit. Shut the shit. Holy. You guys. You guys. It tastes like beef stroganoff. Have you ever had beef stroganoff? I rate this a 7 out of 10. Wow.